3 people have died and 1 person is seriously ill in hospital in Surrey after a coach left the road and smashed into a large oak tree last night. The A3, close to the Hinehead Tunnel where the accident happened at around 10 to midnight, has only just reopened. The coach had 53 people on board and was originally from Merseyside. Police believe it was heading back up to the north from the Isle of Wight after leaving the popular Bestival music weekend. Inspector Richard Mallett from Surrey Police, which is now investigating the incident, told reporters that 3 people were declared dead at the scene and their bodies have been recovered overnight. Many of those who were injured were taken to 5 local hospitals, and those uninjured were taken to a rest centre close to the scene, which was set up by the local council. I'm Marvarine Cole. For more on this story, check out our website ibtimes.co.uk.